So now we will learn the significance or importance of principles of management. So let us see what are the points given here. The first point provides useful insights into reality. The principles of management present the managers with valuable insights into real world circumstances. Adherence to these policies will supplement their education, capability, and perception of managerial conditions and circumstances. Now, it basically acquaints the manager with different kind of managerial situations he is going to facing. Okay, managers are able to learn from the past mistakes and they do not waste any time in the hit or trial method, right? They can learn from the past mistakes. So manager can leave the routine tasks, the top level manager can leave the routine tasks to take care by the middle level management and concentrate himself, on more important tasks. Okay, so this is the point comes next for optimum utilization of resources and efficient management. Both material and human resources are obtainable with the firm are restricted. They have to be placed to best use. By the best utilization, the resources must be put to utilization in such a way that they should give the most profit with minimum cost. Principles provide the managers to predict and influence the relationship of their choices and activities. Now, as I said that management principles they establish a cause and effect relationship, we know that what is going to be a effect of a particular decisions. So they do not need to waste any time in a hit or trial method. All right, so therefore they do not have wastage of any time. They can foresee that what is going to be the effect of their decisions. So this is the meaning of the point. Next point comes here, scientific decisions. Application of principles of management makes the manager more realistic, thoughtful, justifiable, and free from personal bias. The decisions taken on the basis of principles of management are subject to evaluation and objective assessment. Now, as you are aware and as I have been telling you, the scientific decisions are based on facts. They are thoughtful and justifiable. You can justify law of gravity. All right. They are timely, realistic, and they are subjective also into its measurements and evaluation. So similarly, management principles are helps in taking a free biased free decisions. Okay, they helps in taking realistic decisions. They provide a realistic and subjective measurement for the evaluation in the organization. Next comes point meeting changing business environment. Although the principles are in the nature of general guidelines, they are modified and help managers to meet the changing requirements of the environment. For example, with the rapid rise of online market sellers, often or offline vendors have also started selling their goods on online platforms. So now they help us to meet the changing environment, changing requirements of the environment. You are aware that we are working in a place or we are in a situation where in the world has become global village. The business is happen across continents, across countries, across different geographies. So the principles of management can be modified and they help the managers to meet changing requirements of the environment. They help us to make the decisions as per the dynamic environment which the managers are facing. Now remember, the principles, as I have been telling you, are very flexible. So we can adopt, we can change them as per the requirements. Next comes the point, fulfilling social responsibility. Principles of management not only help in achieving the goals of the organization effectively and efficiently, but they also guide the managers to fulfill their commitment towards its employees and society. So, they also help in fulfilling the social responsibility. Over the years, as you were aware, organizations are there because of the society. We all know that. When organization is present in the society, they need to contribute to the society. They cannot work against the society. So management principles helps in fulfilling the social responsibility. Now principles have been developed to serve the demand of the society. As such, and the principles have established ethics which helps the managers to fulfill the social responsibility towards society. So basically, when it comes to management principle, when they were developed, the society was kept in mind, and they also provide us ethics which should be kept in mind when you are fulfilling your responsibility towards society. Okay. Now remember, for example, the principle of equity. We have this particular principle which says that you need to give fair and equal treatment to all the employees. So as you can see, the principle is based on fulfilling the social responsibility of giving respect, of giving equal treatment into all human beings irrespective of caste, creed of which they belong. So this is a principle which has been based on equality. Similarly, other principles are also based in such a manner that the social responsibility of an organization is fulfilled. Alright, so that is why it is very important to understand this fulfilling responsibility with which the society is based on the organizational responsibility. Okay, so these are the points under the significance or importance of principles of management, from which we will be very much clear that was the importance of the management principle belong. Okay.